Hello friends, today I have a small question. My question is that I'm working on online Office Microsoft Excel. I'm creating a daily activity tracker, but I want that input some numbers. When I input the numbers, the cell must highlight itself. Now I want input here some formula. I highlight the cells, these cells, and enter conditional formatting, input new rules. From here I want to input little bit formula. Formula is a very simple, that f5 not equal to empty, then alert with yellow cells. Done. Now you look that Excel is highlighting all the cells, but I don't know how to do it. It's only highlight the cells where I input some values. I want to change this other formula for highlight cells with cell value. I'm taking no blanks, then done. But it's also not working properly. But in Excel 2016, it's working properly. For example, I want to some input some numbers here. Highlight those cells where I input some values. Now the formula is same. Where I input, look, cells. Formula is same, but it's working in Excel 2016, but it's not working in Excel online system. My question is that how I input, uh, which formula I should input to highlight only those cells which are not empty. Thank you guys. Please